Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove old devices from Bluevine login. Removing old or unused devices from your Bluevine account is going to help you to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Here's how to do it. First step is to log into your Bluevine app or web account. Once you're in from the dashboard, just open the menu and go to Settings. Now select Security and then tap Device Activity or Login Devices. You're going to see a list of all devices that have access to your account. Now, identify devices that you no longer use, such as an old phone or tablet or shared computer. Now, next to each unwanted device, just select Remove or Log Out Device. Now, once that's done, confirm your choice and the device will lose access immediately, requiring your password and two-factor authentication for any future, login attempts. Regularly clearing out unused devices is going to help to keep your Bluevine account secure and of course reduce vulnerabilities to breaches. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.